The incredible health benefits of oranges. Oranges are one of the most popular and widely consumed citrus fruits in the world. But beyond their refreshing taste, oranges also offer an impressive array of health benefits. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, providing over 100% of the recommended daily intake in a single medium-sized fruit. Vitamin C is essential for immune function, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. 2. Support heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in oranges have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and the risk of heart disease. Oranges also contain the flavonoid hesperidin, which has been linked to improved blood vessel function. 3. Boost immune system. In addition to their high vitamin C content, oranges also contain other immune-boosting compounds like vitamin A, folate, and antioxidants. Regularly consuming oranges can help strengthen the body's defenses against infections and illnesses. 4. Promote healthy skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in oranges can help protect the skin from sun damage and improve skin elasticity. Oranges also contain the carotenoid beta-carotene, which can give the skin a healthy, radiant glow. 5. Aid digestion. Oranges are a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. The citric acid in oranges can also help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, further aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Incorporating oranges into your diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health. From immune function to skin health, this citrus fruit offers a wide range of benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a nutritious snack or ingredient to add to your meals, be sure to reach for a juicy, fresh orange. Subscribe for more.